Star. That's right. It's a star. How about this?
Square.
Is it a square? It looks like a square. A square is square like this, but this is a rectangle. A rectangle is a long square. Long square. A rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Rectangle. Good. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Very nice. Okay. What's this?